welcome back to Nonsense Farm. It is early in the morning, the temperature's in the 40s, and today we're going to treat all of the colonies with oxalic acid vaporization. Now, my sweet husband got me this Laravi's Instant Vap, which in my opinion is just the easiest and fastest way to do oxalic acid vaporization. It is expensive for this unit, but once you have it, treating with OAV is super affordable and super effective, and it's super easy and fast to do. You don't have to open up the hive. It's just super easy. So we have to wear respirators, so I don't know how well the audio is going to come through for the rest of the video, but I'll certainly give it a shot. But anyway, watch us as we do this. All right, here we go. We're going to sound like Darth Vader. Okay, this is my new bee suit. I'm putting it on for the first time. Today is not a terribly bee pressure activity, so we're just going to wear these gloves today. We want to be safe, but they're not going to be all over us like on some other times. So I have 2 of these plungers. I also have 2 of these batteries, but the other one's on the charger in the camper. So there's that. You put it on, it'll tell you the voltage of your battery. So that's good. This is a 20 volt and it's showing 20 volts, so we're good there. All right, this and really much of the unit will get very, very hot. So be careful about touching it. You can put it on metal like that, but don't put it on the ground. And of course, my nose is running. Well, it's going to run the whole time anyway. Okay, so here it says that's a temperature. That's the temperature it's reading.
Oh, outdoor?
Yeah. So 445 is where it needs to get to vaporize. So what we're going to do, and when we get to the, we have a few May hives, and we put this over this because this would melt the May hive. So let's, I guess, probably do all the wooden ones first, then put the cap on and do the May. That way we're not putting it on and taking it off. I'm trying to decide how much my nose is bothering me. I'm just going to have to push through. All right, the other challenge we have is that I have another big bag of oxalic acid, but I forgot that I had taken it home to make those pads. So I hope this is enough to get us all the way through, but we'll see. So to fill it up, so this is dialed back to where it'll be 4 grams. We're going to treat each hive with 4 grams of oxalic acid. And all you do is, you see the volume that it's going to take, so this may get us through. Okay. Anyway, you go like this, and it's kind of like when you're measuring out brown sugar for a recipe. You just kind of go like that. And this is just a storage place. This is where it'll actually go in. Pretend this is full of stuff. You go like that and it'll just stay there. Then when you're ready for it to start, you go. And that pushes the oxalic acid out. So we're going to go ahead and fill this up. And you do want to make sure it's in there because you don't want it to fall out prematurely, right? Okay, so now I'm going to turn this unit on, and we'll do our first vaporization when it gets to 445. So while it's heating up, we're going to go ahead and stuff the towel into the first hive. See, it's already heating up.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, so let's go stuff the towel into the first hive. So it's a pretty quick process, but it's even faster with 2 people. All right, we're at 200. We're waiting for it to get to 445. I wonder if I sound like Darth Vader on the video. I guess I'll find out. Almost time. We're not even opening it, so you can leave that up there. Yep, no, we never even open it. 4:45. Okay. So that. We can see the temperature's going down because it's burning up see how the vapor's kind of coming out the back there and stuff. Yeah, and you want to avoid breathing that, which is why we're wearing respirators. So we want that to dispense all of its goodness. Well, you'll notice it stop, it'll stop billowing out. So it looks like that one. See, I'm transitioning from screen bottom boards to solid bottom boards. Yeah, the temperature's going back up, so I bet it's done. All right, so I'm going to hand you this. And I'm going to stick this back in here. All right, so there's the first one. All right. We're almost done with all of the wooden hives. Next, we're going to put this plastic tip on the vaporizer so that we can do the May hives. And there we go. We have the first round of oxalic acid vaporization done. And we'll do another one in a couple of weeks. Time to save the bees in preparation for next spring. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.